Head of the St. Anne Police, Senior Superintendent Calvin Small, is seeking to reassure residents of Steertown in the parish that the police will maintain increased presence in the community for as long as necessary. The reassurance comes amid a deadly feud between warring factions in the area. Today, the Steertown Health Center, Steertown Primary and Infant School, as well as the Steertown Academy were closed. Now, the police say they did not order the school closures. But TVJ's Kirkwright was in the area today and now reports.
Steertown is one of the largest communities in St. Anne, and today it's on the national radar. Fear of violence in the community have heightened following the shooting deaths of two men in Mammy Bay in the parish on Sunday. It's reported that a house in Steertown was also set ablaze yesterday. Schools in the community remain closed on Monday out of fear that the students could get caught up in a possible reprisal.
Schools were told by the Ministry of Education that they should go ahead and not open today because for the interest of the students and to ensure that there's no anxiety, then they should just go ahead and close for today and make it up for the rest of the term, during the rest of the term.
We stopped at a section of the community called Damhead, where Kevin Taylor, a resident, tells us some of the violence is internal.
You find that you have most family living here. So it's very dangerous right now for the community because you find a family get entangled with the same family. You know, it causes a big thing.
Out of the 4 persons killed in the area on the weekend, 1 was from Damhead in Steertown.
Family members killing each other. All right, mothers. They have a mother now, 2 of her son died from gunshot. Lindell.
Recently?
Me cry for her. Me have to cry for her. Recently, them shoot our son down on the beach.
The health center also got off to a late start on Monday, and when the doors were finally opened, only 9 persons turned up for health care. So it's only since our cameras came here to Damhead in Steertown that people started coming out of their houses and onto the street. Before that, the area was sparse. The St. Anne's Bay Mayor Michael Belnavy says the health center was opened after staff were reassured by the police that their presence in the area would be increased. At this moment, no one in the community can say how the violence started.
I don't really know where it come from. Nobody can tell, say, you fight for a house, you fight for a car, or you fight for some farmer. Everybody just reprisal, you understand?
The mayor says the violence in Steertown is not normal.
But it's uncharacteristically so because we've had a relatively state of peace in the Steertown area. Just recently we've had a spate of criminal activities, gang reprisals, and that has caused several deaths with gang members feuding against each other.
Mr. Belnavy says the police have committed to beefing up their presence in Steertown. We saw a police vehicle on patrol, but the residents tells us they have not seen any member of the security forces. The area where the security forces are normally stationed was empty when we visited. Kirkwright, TVJ News.